to recover WhatsApp View Once photo? If you've already opened it and want to see it again, here's a simple method you can try. First, open WhatsApp on your device, whether you're using Android or iPhone. Now, tap on the settings icon in the bottom right corner. From here, scroll down and select Storage and Data. Then tap on Manage Storage. Now look for the contact from whom you received the View Once photo and tap on their name. Here, you might find media files stored from that chat. If the View Once photo is cached on your device, you can tap on it to view it again. This method works because sometimes WhatsApp temporarily stores media in storage, allowing you to recover View Once photos or videos. Just keep in mind, this won't always work if the file has already been completely removed. And yeah, that's how you can recover WhatsApp View Once photos and watch them again easily.